Good morning to one and all. I am Dr. R. Nageshwari, working as Associate President Head, Department of Economics, Sitalakshmi Archi College for Women, Pallatur, Sivangai District, Tamil Nadu, India. Now I am going to talk about the careers in economics. The process of production as well as consumption of goods in the same manner, wealth being transferred for production and obtaining the same goods is the study of economics. Economics is a vast subject and involves a lot to be focused on, all characteristics of country's economy and studied in the subject. Economists are once involved in economy and are answerable for how productivity, financial stability, wealth in a country can be maximized. Courses offered in economics. Economic courses in India are plenty, where they are available in almost all the best colleges. A few courses which economic enthusiasts enroll are mentioned below. BA Economics, Bachelor of Economics, MA Economics, Master of Arts in Economics, MPhil Economics, Master of Philosophy, PhD, Doctor of Philosophy. Colleges and universities are offering economic courses. Best colleges are available for economic courses in all over India. Private as well as government colleges are scattered across the nation for completing the degree. In the same manner, foreign universities also offer economic courses. London School of Economics, Berkeley University, Barcelona, or various universities where scholarships are also provided. One just needs to hunt each university online and pick the one where you satisfy the eligibility criteria. Distance learning in economics. You can do BA Economics or MA Economics or a doctorate in distance learning mode also. Distance learning is another option which can be accomplished in India as well as foreign countries. In the same aspect, online courses are also available for the same. A few Indian universities that offer distance education for economics are Annamalai University, Chidambaram, Tamil Nadu, India, Andhra University, Azhagappa University, Karaikudi, Tamil Nadu, India, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Open University, Badiyar University, Tamil Nadu, India, Karnataka State Open University, and plenty more. Job opportunities in economics. Taking a look at the job opportunities, they are highly demanded in almost all sectors such as transport, insurance, investment, manufacturing, government entities, and charitable organizations. They work as accountants, auditors, budget analysts, financial analysts, credit analyst, compensation and benefits manager, economic consultant, actuary, market research analyst, public policy consultant, economic journalist, and lot more. Applied technology, Bank of America, Walmart, Intel, Union Oil, Yamaha Motor Corporations, and plenty companies require economic graduates in India and abroad. Opportunities abroad are plenty, and a number of international companies highly demands economic graduates. Openings in government sector. Government jobs are another opportunity for economic graduates as they are required to prepare and clear state and central level entrance exam like UPSC, that is Union Public Service Commission, TNBSC, Tamil Nadu Public Service Commission, fetch government jobs. Few government entities who required economists are Indian Army, State Bank of India, Union Bank of India, Vishwa Bharati University, NEFT Jodhpur, Indian Bank, Corporation Bank, Bank of Baroda, and plenty more. Hope you understand the career in economics. All the best. Thank you for the opportunity. Thank you for your watching.